Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Dr. Cat Can Code. In this video, I'm going to unbox the new 2020 Bluetooth speaker from Sony, the XB33. Let's start. I have just received the package today, and you can see that on the package there's a letter Sony as well. Sony 4, I don't know why. Just the name of that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to cut the box. Be careful. This side as well. Oh, there's still some left here. Okay, the box is quite big, and protection, just some air balloons to protect the package. More protections, more protection. So nice. I ordered the XB33 Sony directly from the Sony Australia website, and I put the comment that this is fragile and it needs more protections. That's why they put a whole lot of extra protection for the package. That is very nice. Well done, Sony Australia. Really appreciate it. Okay, and here it is. We see the Sony XB33. It's quite heavy. Let me put the box away. And here is the speaker. It's actually very heavy. I think it's more than 1 kilogram. And it's mentioned here on the box that this is the extra base XB33. So this is the extra base SRS XB33 from Sony. I believe this model has just been released this year, the middle of this year, so it's quite new. This is the new model that replacing the previous one, the XB32. Okay, have a look at the box one more time. Very nice box, guys. Quite heavy. I think the speaker is more than 1 kilogram. That's why it's quite heavy. Let's open the box together. Let me see. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Okay, there's a help website for the SRS XB33 as well, directly on the top of the box. Wow, what is this? You see the speaker itself right at the top of the box. Let me take it out. It's quite heavy, guys. Look at this. This is the Sony XB33 inside a box, inside a plastic bag. Let's see what else is in the box. Menu guide, reference guide. Okay, that's all. Nothing else is in the box. Let's see. put the box away. This is the cable that comes with the speaker. It is a Sony cable. It has the letter Sony here, and it is a micro. This is a USB-C port, and this is the normal standard USB-A 2.0 or 3.0. So you can charge your speaker using um, the USB-C connection, which is very nice. That I really appreciate that Sony use the um, USB-C connection for the speaker. Wow, the speaker itself is actually quite heavy. I believe it's more than 1 kilogram. I can't remember exactly, but let's remove the plastic bag. There we go. So we have the speaker right here. The texture of the speaker covering the speaker is very nice to touch. It's kind of has some fabric feeling to it, quite soft. There's a letters for the brand here, Sony. I think on the top of the speaker you can see a bunch of controls like the on off button, Bluetooth synchronization button. This is a Bluetooth speaker, by the way, and pause play button. Also, this is a call button because this speaker has a microphone built in, so you can actually use this for hand-free calling. You can use this speaker to talk and listen to the phone calls. And they have some other buttons here. This is the volumes, up and down. Can you see that? Up and down. There's another button here called live and stamina. I believe this one to generate more in-depth and louder sound for the speaker. And let's see. Oh, by the way, this speaker is waterproof and dust proof, so you can bring it to the beach, to the swimming pool. This is amazing. The build quality is premium. But just so you know, the bass, because this is an extra bass speaker, so the bass sound, it produces very very deep bass sound, and it has actually two radiators on two sides, and they expose, so you need to be very gentle and careful with this. I believe I don't want to test it right now. There's lights here. There's some lights here. There's some lights here on this side and some lights on this side as well. This is some lights for the speaker. There's a little bit of issue with the fabric here. A little bit of the fabric came out over here, but I don't think it's a big problem. Maybe maybe I will write a complaint about this little thing. Let's see if I can get any sort of discount back. All right, let's see what's inside here. So because this is waterproof, so there's this rubber thing to close the ports. Let's see what sort of ports do we have. This speaker can be used as power bank, so you can charge your phone with this USB-A output, and you have a USB-C input here for charging the speaker itself. And this speaker you need to charge it for at least 1 hour after you before the first use. This is recommended on the Sony website, so you need to charge it for at least an hour before your first use. And there's a couple of other buttons for party and for linings in here. And the last button is called pairing. So do you know that you can use multiple Sony Bluetooth speakers as to pair them up and set up the stereos or an arrays of speakers. It could produce better sound together. And one of the good thing that I like about this 2020 XB33 is that this is a stereo speaker by itself. So if you install the application on your Android phone or your iPhone, the Sony sound application, you can set the stereo mode for this speaker. And when you set the stereo mode for this speaker, they actually and you have to put it vertically like this. There's a stand over here, very soft and sturdy rubber stands that you can use to put the speaker like this, and it actually acts as a stereo speaker by itself. So it's like a 2.0 stereo speaker. You don't need two speakers for producing stereo sound, which is very important. Many Bluetooth speakers are actually mono speaker and they are not stereo speakers. So you also can use this as a mono speaker, like you can put it vertically like this and set it in the app, and it's actually producing mono sound, and then you can pair two of these together to make a stereo pairs or more than that. But one of the things that I love it so much is that it is a stereo speaker by itself, so I don't need to invest any more money on buying another one of these. And the battery life is pretty amazing based on my research on the websites. It's actually 24 hours with full charge, and you can use this as a battery bank to charge your phone as well. That's it about this. Oh, I forget to mention there are two lights rings on the two sides of the speaker you can set using the apps. So, but I wouldn't need to turn it on just to say the battery, so it would last longer. That's pretty much it. I gonna try to put a complaint on this little defect, but I wouldn't bother too much. But I don't mind if I can get a couple of extra dollars back. And this is the cable. That's this. Oh, one more thing, you need to buy your own charger. There's only cable included, so you need to have your own. But I'm gonna use my phone charging adapter to charge my speaker. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the new videos. Thank you very much and take care. See you next time. Goodbye.